Hi, I came from Canada. My name is David Brewer. I found FMS Dental through the internet. Did quite a bit of research on where to go to have my dental treatment done, and through the internet and research I did, I felt FMS was one of my best choices. I contacted them and I spoke with Dr. Rohini. She was probably one of the most honest or straightforward people that I had gotten responses from, because I did email many dental practices. So through that I felt comfortable talking with her, and I made the journey from Canada to India. Once I got to Hyderabad, basically everything that I was told for FMS was true to. I guess my experience is very good, very comfortable at the clinic. Once again, everything that they told me, they were honest about, straightforward. Any work that I needed to have done has been completed now, and it was a great experience. All the doctors and dentists are fantastic people. It's been a good experience.